Hey everybody, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to change the taskbar icon location in Windows 11. Now as far as I know, the location of the icons are in the center of the taskbar, which I'm old school, I don't really like this look, I prefer them to the left. So it's very easy to change. All you have to do is right click your taskbar and go to Taskbar Settings. And what we're going to do under Personalization Taskbar, we're going to go to Taskbar Behaviors. And the two main common settings that people like is hiding their taskbar, so you can automatically hide your taskbar here. But the taskbar alignment is what we're looking at. So I believe by default it's still centered, but I like to just easily switch it to the left. All your icons go to the left. Everyone's happy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next tutorial.